Are you tired of your favorite PSP games always lagging or looking very off whenever you are playing it in your PSP emulator on Android? If yes, then this video is exactly what you are looking for, because on this video, I'm going to share with you guys the best Ppsspp settings that can actually help you to get stunning visuals whenever you are playing your games. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. So simply start by clicking on your settings, then you click on system, then scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down, you are going to see restore Ppsspp settings to default. Click on it and then select OK. Then the next thing you need to do now is to go to your graphics section. You can see this back end at the top. Make sure Vulkan is selected. Then once you are done with this, you see rendering resolution. So click on it. Make sure it's at 2x PSP. But if you have a powerful device like me now, my device is quite powerful, so you can go ahead and choose 3x PSP. So once you're done with this, look for anything that is called display layout and effects. So you can actually see it there. So click on it, click the plus button, and then just look for these natural colors and then select it. So once you've done this, the next thing you need to do is to click on back and then go and turn off your frame skipping. So you can see mine is already turned off, but if yours is not turned off, make sure to turn it off. Then next up is your hardware transform. So you can see it over here. Just make sure that it's turned on. Very, very important. And also make sure this your software skinning is also turned on, so that you'll be able to play, older games. So it's going to be compatible. Now simply scroll down to upscale type. You can see it over here, and then make sure that XBROZ is what is selected. XBROZ. So make sure that that's what is selected. Then you can see your upscale level. Click on it, select 2x in there. So once you're done with this, just scroll down a little bit. You are going to see an isotropic featuring. So click on this and then place it at 2x. But if you have a powerful device, you can go ahead and use 4x. So this is another important settings that you need to make sure you are using. Then you can see this texture featuring. So make sure it's on auto. So that's the correct settings. Then when it comes to your audio settings, I don't think you need to change anything in here. The audio is quite perfect. So there's nothing for you to actually, make changes to in here. Then the last thing that you need to do is to click on your system. And then once you click on system, you should definitely see your memory stick in here. So you can see it in here, memory stick size. So that's exactly what you are looking for. So just click on it and then increase it to 25. So once you've placed it on 25, click on OK. So these are all the settings that you need to actually have good visuals on your Ppsspp emulator. So let's go back and play any game to see if it's going to actually work out fine. So I'm going to fast forward this video so we can actually get the gameplay very fast. As you can see, the gameplay is very, very nice and everything is moving quite nicely. So I guess this setting is actually the best setting for you to use for your Ppsspp emulator. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it's have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.